everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Frida, the African girl. If it's your first time watching me, you are most welcome to my YouTube channel. You're most welcome to this family. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do subscribe, hit the like button. Please do leave a comment down below and share with your friends. Okay, share with your friends. The most important is do subscribe, because this place right here is very interesting, and everything you need to know about authentic African life, you can find it here on this channel. So take your seats and get your mind ready to take. So in today's video, we are going to look at something very interesting. We are going to learn how to prepare something very interesting. So a few weeks ago, we went for a function, my grandfather's funeral, right? And I think it's very common in African villages. If maybe the function is on the wife's side or the husband's side, there is a way the other side gives something to the other side. So for this, we went to my mom's village. It was my maternal grandfather's funeral service, because he died during the serious COVID period, so people were not allowed to gather. He was just buried, so a few people attended. So the children decided that since very many people didn't come and they wanted to attend, but COVID couldn't allow, so they had to do this. And so we were given a goat by my mom's people. The goat was given to my dad's people, so we had to cook it, we had to prepare it. Now if you watched my previous video, you're going to see when it was being prepared and all of that, though I'm going to take down that video because there is age restriction and all of that, so I don't want that for my channel, so I'm going to take it down. But this is what we got from the previous video. You can see the head and the limbs, so that's what we are going to prepare. Now for us to prepare all of this, we need fire, so we can't prepare it with all the hair on it, we need to take it down. So this video is basically about how to do it and then how to cook it. So the people you see in this video, these are my in-laws, these are my brother's wives, yeah, my cousins. I don't have any blood big brother or anything, so my cousins are my big brothers. So these are their wives, and some are for my uncles. So all of us are here and we are just doing. So this one right here, who is working so hard, this is one of my brother's wives, and they are so knowledgeable, like they're so used to doing these things. Me, I've never done them, so my only work was to carry the camera and also watch them. You first set fire, and then after you've set fire, you sprinkle water, especially on the head, because you can't do it when it's dry. You need water. So as you put it on the fire, and then you use a stick to remove the hair from the head. It's going to be the same thing for the legs and all of that. So I think I'll just let you watch as she does it, because I'm not an expert in it, she is, so I'll just let you watch whatever she's doing, but it is actually done the way she's doing. Let me know, do you do this at your place? How different do you do it? Do you do it the same way, or you do yours quite differently? Because this is how we do ours. So as she continues to do that, like I told you earlier, we're given a whole goat and we have some meat to cook. So the other one is my sister, the one who looks like me. That is my So after everything, the preparation is done, then we have to cook. And you know how during with factions food is cooked. It's not the way you prepare your food at home. It's the way they do their things traditionally. So for this point, you saw the head, the legs, and everything. Everything was put in one saucepan plus the other meat. And so this is my auntie cooking, my dad's elder sister.
What do you do? Kalau ada batu bisa, itu ada ni. Ya. Macam. Batu tu ni dia ada.
Eh, bayi lah orang tu dia ada ni. Ya, semua. Kita ira dalu era. Jadi ira tu mesti dah siapa siapa bakal dia tak alam.
Okay, so this one, this is the blood and some other parts that have been cooked here. I think it was the liver, I think the liver, the blood and the liver, they were all cooked together here in some, and the small intestines were put together and they were being cooked separately from the other meat, so you don't cook them together. That's how how it is done. So it's that moment of swallow shape. It's that moment of eating food. But you know how food is eaten when it's those functions and it has to do with any culture or anything. You don't just eat the way we eat at parties and what. So this is how the food is eaten, yeah. So for this point, those who came from my dad's village, and even if you don't stay in that village and but you are from that village and you came for this village, everybody was counted, and those who contributed, right, those who contributed money but they didn't come, so everybody was counted, plus those, because everybody's name was written down. So all of you are counted, and then the meat is divided according to the number. There is a chairperson who sits and says, put this for this person, put this for this person. You know how those things are done. Tell me, is it the same thing they do at your places? Because this is, if the person is not here, somebody has to carry the food for that person. The person must eat the food. So that is how it is done. And so guys, that is it for this video. I hope you really like it. Please do subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, share the video, like, drop a comment, and stay tuned for the next video. I will definitely see you again. Bye bye for now.